Fear free English Club. Ooh, ooh.
Welcome to Fear Free English Club. This is the podcast for English learners who understand a lot but freeze when it's time to speak. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Ben. And today, I had the most painful small talk moment of my life.
Okay, tell us.
So, I was in a hallway, like a normal hallway, and I met my neighbor in the building. We don't know each other well.
Oh no, the hallway small talk.
Exactly. We were both standing there, waiting for the elevator. And there's that moment where you have to say something, or just stare at the floor.
Right.
He smiles and says, "Hey, how's it going?" And my brain goes, "Okay, say something friendly, just one sentence."
Very normal.
I say, "I'm fine."
That's not bad.
It's not bad. But then he says, "Nice. Busy week?" And suddenly, my brain is empty,
That blank feeling.
like someone turned off the lights. I wanted to say, "Yeah, work is busy, and also my kids were sick and I didn't sleep." But my mouth said, "Yes,
Just yes.
just yes." And then, silence.
That silence feels loud, doesn't it?
So loud, I could hear the elevator thinking.
And what happened?
He tried to help me. He said, "So, weather's getting colder, huh?" And I said, "Yes," again.
Ben!
Rachel, I was trapped in a yes loop.
And inside you were panicking.
Inside, I was screaming. And then the elevator arrived. We got in. And the elevator is silent too, you know? So now it's double silence.
The elevator silence is the final boss.
Exactly. And he says, "Do you live on the 4th floor too?" And I said, "I live on 4th.
Oh, that grammar moment.
I know. And then I wanted to fix it, but I froze again. I felt embarrassed, like, why can't I say a simple sentence?
Okay, if you're listening and you're thinking, that is me, I want you to breathe. This is so common.
Really common?
Yes, and it doesn't mean you're bad at English. It means you don't have a small talk rescue plan.
A rescue plan sounds nice.
Today, you'll get one.
Because I never want to be trapped in a yes loop again.
Good. Today, we teach you exactly what to say when conversation dies. First, let's normalize the fear. Awkward silence is not a you problem.
It feels like a me problem.
Because when you're nervous, your brain thinks silence is danger. It thinks, oh no, they will judge me.
Yes, like they will think I'm boring.
And here's the truth. Even native speakers fear awkward silence. They also use small phrases to keep things moving.
So they also have scripts?
Yes, they do. They just don't call them scripts.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Also, small talk is not about being clever. It's about being easy to talk to.
Easy to talk to, not perfect English.
Exactly. And I want to say something personal. I used to freeze too.
You did?
Yes. I used to overthink every sentence. And when I overthink, I speak slower, I sound tense, and I forget simple words.
That is me. That is my whole personality in English.
So today, we make it simple. We give you a structure you can follow even when you're nervous.
Structure is my love language.
Great, because the structure is tiny.
Tiny is good. My brain can hold tiny.
Here's today's 3-line toolkit, fast and practical. Line 1, time buyer line. Let me think for a second.
That gives me like 2 seconds to breathe, right?
Exactly, 2 or 3 seconds. Line 2, rescue line for mistakes. Sorry, what I meant to say is...
So I can fix my sentence without feeling stupid.
Yes. Line 3, the small talk engine. Answer, add, ask.
Answer, add, ask. 3 steps.
If this helps you, follow the podcast so you don't miss the next episode. And if you know someone who freezes in English, share this with them.
because hallway small talk is coming for all of us.
Let's practice with real conversations, and then you will do it the messy way first.
My favorite way.
Because learners need real life, not perfect.
Yes, I'm the imperfect hero.
Exactly. Okay, mini dialogue number 1. Hey Ben, how's it going?
Good.
And silence.
That's my brand.
Let's slow that down. Here's a better answer with the formula. Pretty good, actually. I've been a bit busy this week. How about you?
Okay. Answer, add, ask.
Yes. Let's chunk it. Chunk 1. Pretty good, actually. Chunk 2. I've been a bit busy this week. Chunk 3. How about you?
What does pretty good mean?
Great question. Pretty good means good, but not perfect. Example, how was the movie? Pretty good. Not amazing, but good.
So it sounds natural.
Yes, it sounds friendly and real.
Let me try again. Pretty good, actually. I've been a bit busy this week. How about you?
Nice. And now the other person answers. Oh, same. Work is crazy.
And I answer, add, ask.
Yes. You can say, yeah, same here. Lots of emails. Are you busy with work too?
I can do that.
Good. The goal is not perfect. The goal is keep it moving, you know?
Keep it moving, like a ball. Don't drop it.
Exactly. Now let's use your elevator sentence. You said, I live on 4th.
Yes. Pain.
Let's redo it. I'm your neighbor. Do you live on the 4th floor too?
Yes, I live on 4th.
Great. Now rescue line.
Sorry, what I meant to say is I live on the 4th floor.
Perfect.
That feels powerful.
Because you took control again.
Can I also say I live in the 4th floor?
Good try. That's a common mistake. In English, we say on the 4th floor. In is like inside a room. On is like a level in a building.
So, on the 4th floor. Got it.
And notice your rescue line is simple. Sorry, what I meant to say is you can use it anytime.
Even when I say something weird like, I am boring.
Yes, and you can correct that too.
Sorry, what I meant to say is I'm kind of tired today.
Much better and very human.
So the rescue line can fix grammar and fix meaning.
Yes, it gives you a second chance. Now the big moment. The conversation dies. Silence. You feel stuck.
My brain starts yelling, say something, say something.
Exactly. So we use safe openers. Weather is a safe opener.
Even if it's boring?
Especially because it's boring.
Okay, I accept boring.
Try this. Lovely day, isn't it?
Lovely day, isn't it? That isn't it feels fancy.
It's not fancy, it's common. It's a tag question.
A tag question is like, right? You know?
Exactly. It's cold today, isn't it? You invite agreement.
Okay, let's do the dialogue.
Cold today, isn't it?
Yeah, it really is.
Great. Now you add a detail.
Yeah, it really is. I forgot my gloves, so my hands are freezing.
Perfect. Now ask.
Do you like cold weather?
Great. And now I answer as the other person. Not really. I prefer summer.
Same here. In summer, I feel more energetic. Speaking of which, do you do any sports?
Nice bridge.
Okay, what does speaking of which mean again?
It's a smooth topic change. We talked about summer and being active. Speaking of which connects to the next question.
So it's like a little connector.
Exactly.
And what about that reminds me?
Same idea. That reminds me, I wanted to try a new cafe. Then you ask, do you know any good places?
So when silence comes, I don't panic. I use a connector.
Yes, you create a path.
I like that.
Also, here are a few easy ask questions. Simple, safe, and very normal. How's your week going? Have you been busy lately? Any plans for the weekend? Have you seen any good movies recently?
Movies is good. People love movies.
Yes, and you can always go back to the formula. Answer, add, ask.
So if someone asks, any plans for the weekend, I should not say no.
Exactly. Let's upgrade it.
Not much, actually. I'm probably going to rest at home. How about you?
Perfect. Simple, natural.
I'm learning I don't need big stories.
Right. One small detail is enough. Small talk is small.
That's so obvious, but I forget.
That's why we practice.
And if my brain goes blank?
Time buyer line.
Let me think for a second.
Good. Now choose a safe topic. Weather, weekend, food, work, or the place you're in.
The place?
Yes. This place is really nice, isn't it? Tag question. Easy.
I like tag questions. They do the work for me.
Exactly. They invite the other person to talk. It's time for our signature segment. Target, fear-free rescue line of the day. Main rescue line today. Sorry, my brain just went blank for a second.
That feels so honest.
Yes, and it's normal. People usually smile, they wait, they help you.
And I don't have to pretend I'm confident.
Exactly. Confidence is not never freezing. Confidence is recovering fast.
I love that.
Now 2 alternate rescue lines. Alternate 1. Give me a second. I lost my train of thought.
That one sounds very native.
Sorry, can we restart that?
Oh, that's good. Simple.
Now we practice. Slowly. Clearly. Repeat after me. Slow pace. Sorry.
Sorry.
My brain just went blank for a second.
My brain just went blank for a second.
Full sentence. Sorry, my brain just went blank for a second.
Sorry, my brain just went blank for a second.
Again, a little faster but still calm. Sorry, my brain just went blank for a second.
Sorry, my brain just went blank for a second.
Good. And now the restart line. Sorry, can we restart that?
Sorry, can we restart that?
Perfect. You now have real words for the panic moment.
So next time the elevator attacks, I'm ready.
You're ready. Okay, Ben. Now we do the messy practice. 2 full rounds. Round 1 will be more freezing. Round 2 will be better.
Great. So round 1 is my natural habitat.
Exactly. And remember, small talk is rhythm. Answer plus add plus ask. And if you freeze, you use a rescue line.
And if I make a mistake, I can say, sorry, what I meant to say is...
Yes, perfect.
Okay, let's do it.
You're in a cafe. I'm a friendly stranger. Hi, is this seat taken?
No, it's... free.
Great, thanks. Busy day today?
Yes.
Okay, and then what?
And then I panic.
Say something. Anything. Use the time buyer.
Let me think for a second.
Good. Now answer plus add.
Yes, it is busy. I have many things.
That's okay. Try a small detail. One small thing.
Sorry, what I meant to say is it's been kind of busy at work.
Great correction. And now ask me back.
How about you?
Perfect. Oh, same. I've been running around all day.
Running around means...
You can ask.
What does running around mean?
It means being very busy, going from place to place, like errands, work, appointments.
Oh, okay. So like... moving a lot.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I've been running around too. I had to... do things.
That's fine, but let's make it more natural. Try, yeah, same. I had a lot of little things to do today.
Yeah, same. I had a lot of little things to do today.
Nice. By the way, it's really cold outside today, isn't it?
Yes, tag question.
It is. I almost didn't come out.
Yeah, me too. I almost stayed home, but I needed coffee. Do you like winter or are you more a summer person?
That's perfect. I'm more a summer person, definitely.
Same here. In summer, I feel more energetic. What do you usually do in summer?
Amazing rhythm. Notice how you didn't need a big story. Short, simple, friendly.
And when I felt stuck, I used "that reminds me" and "speaking of which."
Exactly. That's what native speakers do.
I feel more confident now.
Good. That's your confidence statement for today. You can speak even when you're nervous. You just need a system.
A system I can remember in an elevator.
Exactly. Quick cultural insight. In many English-speaking cultures, silence can feel awkward. People often fill the silence with small phrases.
Like "so" and "anyway."
Exactly. You'll hear, so, anyway, by the way, oh, that reminds me.
It's like little glue.
Yes, conversation glue.
And weather is safe glue,
Weather is the safest,
even if it's boring.
especially because it's boring.
Okay, I accept boring.
Rapid review time. We'll repeat together, slow and clear. Phrase 1. Pretty good, actually.
Pretty good, actually.
Phrase 2. I've been kind of busy this week.
I've been kind of busy this week.
Phrase 3. How about you?
How about you?
Phrase 4. Speaking of which.
Speaking of which,
Phrase 5. That reminds me.
that reminds me.
Now the rescue line. Sorry, my brain just went blank for a second.
Sorry, my brain just went blank for a second.
Pronunciation tip. In went blank, connect it smoothly. When blank, not went blank with a big stop.
When blank.
Nice.
I like that. It sounds more natural.
Great. That's the goal. Now your fear-free challenge. In the comments, write one small talk question you are afraid to ask in English. Example, any plans for the weekend? Or do you like winter? Write your question and we will help you make it sound natural.
Yes, and bonus challenge. Write one, answer, plus add, plus ask, reply. Just one. Short is okay.
Optional, super easy question. One line. Are you team silence or team small talk?
I'm team small talk now, but like scared small talk.
That counts. And if you want more episodes like this, follow or subscribe to Fear Free English Club. Like this episode and share it with a friend who freezes in English.
Especially a friend who gets attacked by elevators.
And remember, practice today. One tiny conversation counts. One "how about you" is progress.
And mistakes are allowed.
They are part of the process. You're doing an amazing job. Keep going.
See you next time.
See you next time.